Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. An FEA model will often be represented by using a variety of materials to ensure that the strength, stiffness and mass of the structure is properly represented. The materials used in FEA will often be focused on isotropic definition, where the stiffness and strength are the same in any direction, for example a metallic structure, or orthotropic, where stiffness and strength are dependent on the material orientation, for example a carbon fibre weave. Through our course we'll look at various criteria used for general isotropic materials, through to the detailed ply and laminate representation of complex carbon fibre structures. You'll learn how to apply these materials to various structures. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.